We are pleased to show you the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, fog lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.